Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the rack slider in your GE dishwasher, extend the upper rack assembly. Gently pry the tabs open to release the end caps on the slide rails. Now you can remove the rack from the slide rails. Gently pry the tab open to release the end cap off the back of the slide rail. Remove the slider. To install the new rack slider, place the slider over the glide wheels. Snap on the end cap. Insert the sliders between the rollers to set the rack. Snap the end caps back onto the slide rails. And the dishwasher should be ready for use.